In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Windows 10 operating system. Recently, Microsoft Windows has released an update for Windows, but many of us still not installed it. So, in this video, you are going to see how you can do it. It is a very easy process. For full understanding, please watch till the end. So, let's begin with. For updating our Windows, first we need to open the Windows settings option. For that, we can go to the Windows Start menu here and click on it, and here it is, the settings option button. We just need to click on it, and here are all of my Windows settings. From here, we just need to go to the update and security by clicking on it, and here it is, the update Windows update section. From here, we just need to click this check for updates. I'm going to click on it, and after clicking this button, if it finds the new version of Windows, it will start automatically downloading its component. But in my case, I have already updated my Windows. For that, it says you're up to date. For your case, you just need to click this check for updates. After it finds a new version of Windows, it will automatically start downloading its own components for the new version. And it will take some time to download the components. And after downloading its full components, it will auto start to installing them. And after installing the components, it will just ask you to restart the computer. You just need to simply restart the computer by clicking the restart button here the restart button, or it will show you a dialog box for restarting the computer. You just need to click the restart button, and for restarting your computer, it will take some times more, and it will automatically restart your computer several times. You just don't need to be worried about it. After finishing the update process, it will automatically restart your computer and reopen your computer, and after that, you just need to check if your computer is updated properly or successfully. For that, we can come in here, and here you will see you are up to date. Or for checking your new version, you just need to click this OS build info. I'm going to click on it, and from here you can see the new version 1809, and from here you can see my new version 1809, and it's installed on 31 December 2018, and now it is 7th January. So this is the process of update your Windows 10 operating system. If this video was helpful for you, please like this video, and if you got any question about it, you can ask me in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for getting free learning videos like this one. I will be uploading free learning videos like this one in the future. So thank you guys for watching.